Hi everyone. Welcome back to Crochet Craftsman. I'm really happy you're here today. Today, I'll show you how to crochet a quick and easy Christmas tree wind spinner. We'll use simple stitches, beginner-friendly steps, and 2 cozy holiday colors. It's perfect for your Christmas decorations. I hope this tutorial helps you and inspires you to make something festive and cute. For this wind spinner, we'll use a 2.5mm crochet hook. Feel free to adjust slightly, depending on your yarn intention. All right, if you're ready, let's jump right into the pattern. Start with a slip knot and make 16 chains. This will form the base of our wind spinner. Start in the second chain and make 15 single crochets. One by one. Take your time, keep your tension even, and it will look nice and neat. As you work that 15th stitch, switch to your green yarn. Pull the last loop through with the new color and tighten it gently. Chain 2, nice and easy. We're done with the brown yarn now, so go ahead and cut it. Then turn your work, and we'll begin the next row. Into the first stitch of the row, make 2 double crochets. This begins the shaping. Nice and simple, let's keep going. If you're enjoying this so far, feel free to give the video a quick like. It helps more people find these beginner-friendly projects. Now, into the next 5 stitches. Make 3 double crochets in each one. Nice and steady. This creates that full curved section. You're doing great. Keep going with me. At this point, you should have 15 double crochets across this section. If your count matches, perfect. If not, just adjust and keep going. No stress. Into the next 5 stitches, place 3 half double crochets in each. You'll end up with 15 again in this section. Nice and even. And if you love making Christmas projects like this, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials every week. Into the last 5 stitches of the row, place 3 single crochets in each. That gives you 15 again, and finishes the lower edge. Take a breath if you need, then let's continue. Chain 1 and turn your work. Into each stitch from the previous row, work 2 single crochets. This will widen the shape and help it curve naturally. Now into each half double crochet, work 2 more. This helps the curve flow smoothly. Take your time. Into each double crochet, place 2 more double crochets. Go all the way to the end of the row. As you work that last double crochet, switch to white. Pull the final loop through with the new color, and your next row is ready to glow. Chain 1, cut your yarn, and turn your work. Slip stitch into the first double crochet. Nice and easy. This gives us a clean starting point. Chain 1, slip stitch into the next stitch. We're creating the decorative edging here. Continue just like this. Chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, all the way to the end of the row. When you reach the end, slip stitch into that very last stitch. Chain 1, leave a nice long tail for the hanging loop, and cut your yarn. You can make the hanging loop any length you like, short, long, whatever fits your style. Once the loop is finished, gently twist the wind spinner from the very top point and shape it into a smooth circle. If you need to adjust, take your time, then continue. For the final touch, add a little star or any cute embellishment you like right on that white point. It makes it look so festive. And when you hold it up, the spiral opens beautifully, revealing that elegant Christmas tree shape. Just look at how cute that turns out. And that's all for today's tutorial. Simple, relaxing, and fun to make. I hope this little project was helpful and that you enjoyed making it. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and share it with your loved ones. It truly helps so much. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting!